say?
I love my husband.
It says, I love my husband?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's my husband?
Daddy.
Daddy. You love your daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to have a husband? You are? Are you going to have babies?
Yeah, I'm going to have a husband take care of my babies.
You're going to have your husband take care of your babies?
In case them cry.
Oh, if they cry, your husband's going to take care? How many babies are you going to have? What'd you tell me yesterday? 10 babies? Oh my goodness. What are you going to do if all 10 babies are crying?
I'm going to put some in them cribs.
You're going to put them in their crib?
Yeah.
You're not going to feed them?
They're like a bottle.
You got Cole's backpack?
Yeah.
What if they're hungry? Then what are you going to do?
Feed the baby food, give them a drink, give them food, nasty.
I love you. Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye. You going to go to school?
No.
Oh. Who are you going to see at school?
My teachers and my friends.
You miss your friends? Okay. Bye. Bye.
Oh, I know.
I know. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.